In this video, we will show you the easiest way to deploy our virtual machine or VPS on the Google Cloud platform. First, we can search the products in Google Cloud platform. Virtual machine or VPS is usually called with compute engine. If it's not doesn't here, you can just type on the search product compute engine. Just click the compute engine. The easiest way to create virtual machine, just click create instance in here. Okay, this is the easiest way. Later in the next video, we will show you how to create from operating system that you choose by yourself. For example, in here, VPS2, and I'm using Asian region. Okay. For example, using Tokyo, this is cannot contain uppercase. Okay. And you can also select the memory. I'm using medium in here. Okay, and let it all by default, because this is will change your price. Be careful to select this. Okay, this is I'm to click enable. Okay. Or if you don't agree with this, just click disable. This is too much. Okay, now this is using Debian GNL Linux. I will let it by default, or you can change in here. Okay, I will let it by default. Now don't forget to tick the HTTP or HTTPS traffics. Then let's click create. Now your VPS is already deployed, and then you can just open using SSH on your cloud storage. Now you can see here it's connected to Google DNS. Okay, because you don't install anything like Apache, you will not see in the port 80 or port HTTP. We will share this information into the next video.